welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze or you have a Chevy Sonic, guys, the video will be very helpful to you. We'll show you guys how to disconnect fuel line. Now, that design's been used by Chevy for a long time, and we'll show you how we do it and what special tools you need. Now, it's not very complicated procedure. Stay with us, guys. On every vehicle we make, guys, we'll have at least 200 videos made on every vehicle we get at the shop. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. And this is the little helper here. Okay, so let's start on it now. So this is the engine, guys. If you have the 1.8 or 1.4, it should work for both. We're demonstrating on the 1.8 engine. This is your fuel line. Okay, let me show you. That's what it looks like. This is the fuel line, and you need a special tool, guys, to disconnect it. Now, you're going to notice that here, guys, okay, you're going to have a safety lock on this one, and that safety lock, okay, goes, okay, like this one, just like that. So now, guys, this fuel rail is under enormous amount of fuel pressure, and if the engine is hot or you have open flame, spark, something, you can catch the car on fire. So you have to be extremely careful. There is a way to decrease the fuel pressure in that fuel line by removing the fuse, okay, in the fuse box for the fuel pump, start the car until it runs out of fuel, and then you can disconnect the fuel line. Another way is, there is a special tool, and through that cap right here, okay, you can release the fuel pressure. This one will be the best way that I would recommend. Now, we already started our car, ran out of fuel, so we're ready to go. Now, what we need to do now, guys, let me show you. This, okay, this is the safety pin right here, safety lock. Okay, we need to pull it out, come like that down, and get it out. Next, guys, okay, what will need to be done is, those are the tools. We need to find a tool that fits, okay, that pipe. Those tools, guys, you can find them listed in the description of the video below. So now, in our case, this one will be the correct size. You want it to be about the size of the pipe, but not too bigger, because if it's bigger, it's not going to work. Okay, we lift the line a little bit up so we can get the tool in. Next, guys, wear eye protection, because that fuel can spray and hurt your eyes as well. So what we'll do now, we're going to push that line down as much as we can, and we'll pull the tool up on both sides. Okay, so I'll go ahead. Okay, you can see how it's locked in place on this side and on the back side. Now we'll gently start pulling out, okay, and in our case it didn't spit fuel out, but it could, so be extremely careful. Even hold a towel here or something, and you can see the fuel line came out like that. Now, how you guys connect that thing, you have to inspect the O-rings, everything, make sure everything's good, and all you have to do, just push it all the way in until it clicks. Okay, like that, and then try to pull it out, make sure everything's locked. And last step will be, guys, okay, we'll need to install that safety lock, okay, right here, just like that. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.